In the middle of the jungle, a huge achoo shook the trees. Trees shaking, monkeys falling, birds flying in panic. The lion lost his wig. The zebra did a flip. Even the crocodile wore floaties, just in case. And guess what? It was just Ellie the elephant, with a tiny cold. The parrot gave her a tissue. She blew her nose like a trumpet. Honk. All the jungle trees blow away like balloons. Whoosh. There went the jungle. Animals are screaming. Moral of the story? Never give an elephant a tissue. Unless you're ready to replant the jungle. Like and follow for more jungle giggles.